as you can tell, we are at another car show. Now, the only reason I'm really here is because of my friend's 2JZ370Z that she just finished, and I low-key want to see / go for a ride along, and that would be really fun. What the fuck? Damn. Why is this so big? What the fuck? Burr said you can watch YouTube on here? Yeah. Holy shit. 4K. Bro. Like, imagine having my video here while I'm driving. I'm fuck.
I think you got that, Zach.
Oh wait, I need to use a black wing. I don't know nothing about these, I'm not gonna lie, but do you think I got it? Huh?
Like off of 80?
Huh? Let me start at 80, he can start at 10. What up, what up? How you doing? Sounds good as ever. Hell yeah.
It's rented.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Yeah, go. That thing's out. What the fuck? It does this? Yeah. And still kept the nasty seats. This thing just looks nutty. Oh my god. And this is right next to it. Holy shit.
Not bad.
Damn. The ultimate test to see if it's a good Z, does the handle work? It does. Alright, bet.
The real question is, does the door stay open?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, you chilling. Yeah. Oh, that's crisp. That's crispy. I got the files down here.
Yup, got my files ready.
Ticket number 1, ticket number.
Important.
Oh shit. All right.
So I don't know this area too well.
Holy shit. Oh my god! What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god! So girl, what the fuck? Oh my, this thing sounds crazy. Sounds crazy. Holy shit. That's a fucking jet. Holy shit. I told JP, I was like, I love the sound of the S55. Especially just his, I don't know. It's like,
Oh yeah, his shit sounds so good.
people prefer the sound of like the M4s and stuff, but I told him, or the competitions. I forget what engine they have.
I love that.
But it's aggressive as hell. Sounds good.
Like his downshift. Oh my god.
I would say the only thing that gets kind of like annoying sometimes is his burbles. They go down to like 500 RPMs.
Yeah,
So,
I can kind of hear it.
yeah. I didn't pee when my brain wasn't even working. I was too focused on it sounding like a fucking airplane that you just going Zach's wheels, boom, boom. I was like, huh? What?
Yeah.
Nah, definitely not.
Fucking love this car.
The mastermind behind everything. Her.
Look at this guy.
What the what?
Oh, look at him. He's downshifting. Yeah, she's fun. Did she coast? Good temp.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I'm like, what? You're saying it's overheating, but
So,
I don't think.
after a long drive, it does go up to like 210, but then rotational idle kicks on and it cools right back down.
Gotcha. Okay. Definitely fucked that up. My bad. My hair got fucked up. This thing's a plane.
Nissan Airlines.
Yeah, honestly. Jesus.
Sorry, guys. Oops.
Rotational is not want to drive.
Oh my god.
Oh my, sounds crazy though. Ooh. Hey, what's up? That's kind of dope though. That it tells you what it's at. Well, holy shit. That thing's a rocket and it's not even at max yet. Still trying to figure out some issues, but you should be around. You're building it for 7s, right? 6s and 7s. What are you trying to build it to? We're keeping it 5s?
Nah. I want to go up to 1,000 eventually.
Okay, so I lied. She just called me slow in so many ways. Jesus. So building it for 1,000, holy fuck. Yeah, that thing's an actual airline. I don't even like. Oh my god. Yeah. Nutty as fuck. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I know I fucking did. That thing is absolutely nutty. We're gonna get some food though and go eat. So I'll see y'all there. Still in rotational. Yo, you rattling the fuck out of that. Yeah. Redline the. I'm dying. I saw him lean forward on the first one. I'm like, he's definitely flooring it. And then the second one, he went.
I said, go like this.
Oh, he's a kid? Get a door cheesecake. I'm gonna chocolate.
Crashed his car. Probably gonna crash his car. Crashing into a crowd. Half the thing was sugar.
Dude,
Nah, bro, keep pouring it.
God.
Nah, bro, keep pouring it.
that's alright. That's like what you intake every day with your monsters.
No, my monsters are not as bad as that.
Alright, that's take a sip of it. At least see if
Bang, we got some food. We got. Oh my god.
Here you go.
Meat lovers.
That is not halal.
Hey. Like, what the fuck? That's just to be able to hear. No purpose at all. That's so funny. Yo, EcoBoost Eli, why are you in the back? Well, that is all for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed that, because oh my lord, is that 2J 370 fucking amazing. Shout out to Age, because holy shit, she did her thing with that car. That 2J is fucking wild. And I know some of y'all have probably been in a Mark IV or experienced the 2J, but seeing it online compared to actually sitting inside of it is something entirely different. But as I was saying, hope y'all enjoyed this video. As always, live life, have fun, don't die. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys haven't already, go check out my other pages, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, if anything. They're all linked down below and all the same name as everything, Zach's Wheels. I post other short, fun videos on there. And I appreciate all of you guys for the support you give me already. Doses.